Morning.
Morning. What's going on?
Not a whole lot. Yeah?
Yeah.
Would you ask me, Jeffrey?
Oh, nice.
Morning, Ben.
Morning.
Yeah.
In the trash.
Yeah, well, I don't want
It's
it.
not dirty.
Oh, it's not?
No.
What the hell's that?
Mold.
Dirt.
Are you whining?
Smells good.
Superstar don't want to get his hands
Oh
dirty.
my goodness.
But yeah.
You guys are talking about dirty.
Yeah, because we're the ones that as soon as we show up, hey, I need you to climb underneath this. Hey, I need you to do this.
Well,
Kind of like the Volvo.
And it's always the
That's
dirtiest
sweet.
crap, especially on a Monday.
Yeah, yeah.
it is Monday.
Ben-
I didn't
been
come.
like
I didn't
that.
come dressed to get dirty today.
No, we're not going to get dirty.
Okay.
I was thinking, your buddy's dump trailer, can we borrow it?
I don't see why
A
not.
couple days?
I mean, he's not using it, so.
Guess what we're going to do?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I
yet,
have
so.
no idea.
Well, if this guy don't get back to me about the out drive, we got to... I think we're going to go to the river.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And do what?
So
My
what do we-
chimney. What do you think of that?
I forgot. Here at Let's Race Cars, one day you can be a mason, one day you can be an engine builder, next
Jack
day
of
you
all
can be a fabricator.
Hold
You
on,
know,
hold
it's a
on.
good-
Machine
You're missing the
operator.
best part of
It's a
this.
good-
Hold on.
It's a good thing I'm a cameraman. Man, thank God there's such
Have
a
you ever
custom.
laid brick with
That-
him?
Once.
What?
I cut. That was it.
Ah.
Hey, you were a pretty good cutter.
It's a dirty job.
Yeah. So I was looking at it and I was thinking about it. I'm gonna go price out some terracotta flues and just, man, 2 days we'd be done. And I could get that scaffolding out of there and that other trailer. We could bring another trailer home. But I just messaged this guy. I would like to do that this week at some point. It'd only take us a day and a half to do the chimney.
The whole chimney?
Yeah, it's small.
Talking, that's 2,000 plus brick.
No, it ain't.
It's over 1,000 brick.
Well,
That chimney's literally 3 stories tall.
well, if you guys do your job, I can lay over 1,000 brick a day, so we're in good shape.
I don't mind it because, sorry buddy, you're humping mortar.
Well,
I'm the
that's
only
what I
one
was
here that
thinking
knows how to
about
mix
your
mortar
buddy's
mortar.
trailer.
Yeah.
We just put the sand in the back of it, the mortar in the front, and just back it right on the patio and just shovel it right out of the
Trailer.
trailer.
Down low.
Huh? Yeah. And we could take the skid steer, that way we can go over and get the brick, come back up around and bring them over. You know, we can make it really easy. Huh?
You need to skip steer up, honestly, to clean up.
Yeah. Yeah. So, it's just something I was thinking of, and you know what? Once NPK starts, I'll never get that chimney done. You know what I mean? And it'd be sure nice to get it done.
Yeah, that would.
So, happy Monday.
I have to pick up Trippy between 5:30 and 6, so,
Tonight?
yes.
Yeah. Well, I don't know if today's going to be the day. It's supposed to be
Is it?
raining on and off. I looked at the weather for Brady, and I don't know, it's like noon to 4 and 6 to...
Monday through Friday.
So that's my thought. But anyways,
What'd you do up there all weekend?
Yes.
man, I got...
It's supposed to rain from 2 to 3:30.
Yeah.
Snow mixing in late.
Oh, snow.
It's
Well,
supposed
let's
to be down
scratch
to
that
32
idea.
degrees tonight.
So, I don't want to do that. I got the kitchen all done. That cabinet that, for above the fridge, I trimmed out around the fridge. Got the soffit fascia put back on from the windstorm.
Did you recess the kitchen sink?
Nope,
Yeah,
not yet.
honestly.
Not yet.
Tomorrow and
That's, keep
Wednesday.
reminding me, because I will forget.
Okay.
Tomorrow, Wednesday, would be the best day to do that because it's not going to be stupid hot.
Okay.
It's going to be high of 47 tomorrow and a high of 65 on Wednesday.
And
the rest of the week's 70s, 80s.
And I thought since we all have trucks, we could take this up at the same time.
Yeah,
I mean, we could be doing like multitasking. And I know you'd love
I
that.
can get a shot from the river if you're doing the chimney.
After I throw you in. Yep.
No, I don't mind doing that.
Okay.
I don't mind mixing some mud.
Yep, I brought the belt home so I can get new belts for the mixer. And,
Did you try firing it up?
no, I just grabbed the belt off of it. You know it runs. It just, I mean.
Well, one of us honestly needs to take an empty truck up, and we need to take tire inflator, and once we're done with the chimney, load all the scaffolding up, and just get that trailer out of there.
Yeah.
I mean, you're losing a lot of space right there.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Yep. All right. Well, that's,
Yeah?
yeah.
All right.
So,
Sounds good.
how about your other buddy's trailer over there? What's
We can
story
take
on
that too. He ain't gonna miss it. He doesn't have a truck.
Skidster.
He doesn't have a truck to pull it. So
We could put a skidster on that, right?
Well, we can.
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know if that's a. You need a 12 or a 14 to tell your skid steer.
That pintle hitch is,
I think that
Pintle
one's.
hitch don't matter. You put a pintle hitch on anything.
I know, but the size of the pintle hitch is pretty big.
How heavy is that machine?
10,000.
I mean, he towed a.
10,000 drive.
Yeah. Ah,
It's
we'll look at the tag on the trailer.
999 pounds with that.
Well, let's go do that.
Okay.
They don't calculate fuel or oil. That's just dry weight.
Well, let's go look.
Okay.
You
Go.
driving?
Sure.
All right. Did you put your fuel filter on?
Yeah, I mean, I'd just like to cut this panel and then get the seat.
Yeah, go ahead.
To see if I can.
Let's see if you can get the seat to seat.
I still.
Well, I want to see it because I don't mind building spacers for right here to kind of space that forward for right now. Depending
I
on
thought
how
we were
much.
gonna make it out of aluminum.
Well, I am, but not right now.
Why not?
Well, what am I going to go right around an aluminum seat?
Be better than that. Waterlogged.
But it's not waterlogged in it.
Motherfucker leaves it in the garage for 3 days. Thinks it's done.
I should bring my
Go feel it.
dehumidifier down too.
You have one? That's what this needs.
Yeah. We bring dehumidifier down, put the cover back on the boat.
Exactly. That's exactly what it needs.
I went and tried to find my new cover this weekend. It's either in the diesel rig trailer over there or the stacker, or it got tucked somewhere in a corner in a little garage. I checked all the other trailers.
I'll be honest with you. I don't know what cover you're talking about. So I know you had said you got one, but I have never seen it.
Dude, it's literally still vacuum packed in the bag, everything. I never even opened it. And it's made for this boat. Like it's one of them ones that have the cut up front.
Yep.
Then it's got 2 hooks in the back. It's waterproof.
So let's take bets on how fast this thing's going to be.
I'm gonna go 60, 65.
What about you?
It's got to be in that range. The old motor did 50 some.
Yeah.
I mean, you put the right prop on it, it'll do 80.
I bet you it'll actually probably go faster because you think your 21 foot went 60 plus.
Oh, let's see. I'm going to
I
say
mean, that's-
55 for now.
Is that your final answer?
Right now it is.
You can't change it after today.
It's all right.
It'll go faster than that.
I think it's going to be cool. All right, let's go look at this trailer.
All right.
We'll be right back.
Which one are we doing?
What's these for?
I thought I could connect the exhaust to those, but they're too short. I mean, it was just a trial, so that way I know what I needed. Those are 4 to 3, but I need, well, they would work, but I need something 6 inches long. Those just aren't long enough.
Wow, that's really close.
Yeah, it's not even that much higher, even with the risers on it, than the V6 was. So I don't quite understand that.
So we come out of, if we drill straight out of the back of one of these, we could do the cutout with the through hull exhaust.
Mm-hmm.
I think it'd be cool as shit. Oh, you got that notched?
Yeah. Notched that around the crank and the belt. Everything.
Not much. It didn't.
Yeah, no, I mean an inch and a half, I think it was.
That almost looks factory. You did that, Ben?
I don't like to admit that.
With a jigsaw.
Yeah, it wasn't even a straight line. That was freehand cut.
No shit.
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Damn. Got skills.
Sure.
Maybe I ought to put them on a jigsaw more often.
Yep.
All right. So I talked to the guy. He's given us 2 stainless props. He had to order the water pump for the drive, and he said he's painting it. So we're just gonna have to be a little more patient, I guess. I thought we'd have it done by now, but
Well, so what I'm wondering is if we could just put the V6 one on. Because that wasn't the right gear ratio for that V6.
I mean, we could put it on temporarily.
Yeah, that's what I mean, because I mean, obviously I'm gonna have to, I wanna get gaskets for that anyways. But the research I did, there's only 4-cylinder V6, V8 gears.
Oh, really?
So it's either gonna be a 4-cylinder or V8.
Well, he said the props that he's given us, because he knows that we're into speed, he'll hook us up with the speed
I
ones.
think that V6 one, I took the 19 off your old Maxima and put on it.
Yeah, the maximum, that flew with the 19 on it, so.
Yes.
Okay.
And I mean, that made that boat, or this boat with the V6 roll pretty good too. So I'm thinking that probably is a V8 drive, like gear ratio.
Well, you gotta tell me, I mean, I'm spending $1,000 on this drive with props and shit, so.
Well, I'm saying I don't know. Without tearing it apart, I don't know. I'm
Yeah,
saying
I
it's just
don't
a
know.
drive.
Okay.
But I mean, all the fins are still broken on that one.
Yeah, right.
I mean, every outdrive we got has broken fins on it.
Is there a way to check the ratio like you can with a rear end? Like with the shaft and the prop?
Probably.
Put it in the comments. Somebody's gonna know that. Absolutely, because I don't.
Yeah, I guess you think about it, it's no different than a rear gear. It's
It's-
1-to-1. There's no.
But the prop is what everybody always changes, you know.
You know, it'd be just like changing tire
Change
size.
tire, yeah, right. Okay.
Yeah, that, I mean, I don't know 100%. I'm not a boat person at all, so that's just kind of all guessing.
I like this deal. Did you order your cutouts?
No, I told you I was going to get the one I went to Summit
That's right.
because I need to return 2 things.
Okay. Well, what's next?
I wonder if they would have them couplers.
I doubt it.
Just intake couplers, high temp intake couplers. I mean, it's all those are.
Yeah, but you need those black. The ones they're gonna have is fucking for, you know, the racers and shit. They're not gonna be. They'll be thin.
Yeah, I mean, I would like to raise that bottom up, if I could raise that up a 1/4 inch.
This?
Yeah. Like just to straighten out the port to port.
Yeah. Wonder if we can weld this. Is this just steel?
I think it's aluminum.
Ooh. That's even better. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, what's next?
We can try and fit the seat. I took some stuff off of it
Okay.
that I know is going to have to be modified anyways. But I mean, we could at least see how far back to factory it goes.
Okay.
I mean, I would love to make it go right back to where it was, but I mean, if I got to lose an inch up here, whatever.
You think that's all you're gonna lose in an inch?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure because I mean, this is where the back of the seat sat before.
Yeah, right.
And I mean, that's good there.
Okay.
I mean, I could still change a belt and all that stuff if I had to. Because I mean, all your adjustments up here.
Yeah, right.
I'm just curious because I know the back like that is at an angle. The actual sun deck. So I don't. That's what I'm worried about. The piece I took off is what that sat on because it was way tilted back.
Okay.
Which I mean, it was only held in there with 5 screws and like 10 staples. So typical
Alright.
boat stuff.
Well, let's try it.
Yeah, grab it.
Where is it?
It's right there.
Ben, I might need you for this.
Correction. He is going to need you for that.
Hey, I put it in there by myself first time.
Did you really?
No, he did.
I did.
Oh, do it again?
No. Yeah. Ready?
Put it inside down.
Cushion side down.
Yep.
Yep. Oh my god.
This thing's gonna sink with that fucking thing in it.
It's heavier than the motor.
It's water on it.
I don't want to set it down on your window. Oh, maybe it's going to. Hold on. I got it. Got it? Knocks the camera off the window. Yeah. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do with my hands.
It's typical for you too. So, I mean, that's not bad at all. Look, I didn't really even lose much room here.
Well, how would you know? Yeah,
Look
what are you
look
gonna
at the
do?
line, yeah.
Yeah,
The line
you
in the
can't.
back.
Huh, so that's on my Maxim, that's why that sun deck was so big.
Yes.
It's because of the V8.
And yours was really more, let's see, was more straight up and down.
What do you mean?
Like the back here was almost like straight flat. This one, if you look at it, like it lays down at a pretty good angle.
Okay.
But it also has like 3 inches of foam on it.
Well.
So my next question is if it's gonna clear these.
Which it should. Oh, really?
Well,
Yeah.
this lines up from your other motor,
Yeah,
which
but
is
this
telling me
way
that this
taller.
is, but it's no wider.
Oh yeah, no, I'm not worried about width. I'm just worried about the overall height of these. Like I don't
So-
know how hot these get.
Well, they got water running through them all the time.
And that's what I mean. I don't know if they get like 100 degrees, 150. You know.
That's a good question.
I mean, it's constantly pulling in cold water, so I'm assuming you can't get that hot.
Yeah.
But
Well, what's next?
try the sun deck.
Oof. We're gonna bolt it back on.
I don't know. I'm up in the air if I should just make 1-inch spacers now. Like even if they're just out of wood for right now, just to see where.
Well, let's put it on and land that thing here and see.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, just gotta take battery.
Ben's
charger.
dying to put it on.
I'm gonna need your help with that one.
All right. Yeah. Dry my ass. Yep.
Yeah, it's we're gonna flip over.
Yeah, I know. Well, I'm standing where it's gonna flip.
Well, just hold it up.
Let's just hinge over here. So this.
It's notched around it.
Yeah. That's easy enough.
Well,
Or do we bolt it on where it was? No, you
just
can't.
prop it up.
Can't.
Well, I mean, theoretically, I can change the angle of that. Because it's just them 2 braces and then it's all.
Make a longer deck too.
That's ultimately what's going to happen.
I hate to say it, but I think it needs to happen now.
It's too dangerous.
So, it don't fit. You can't see, there's a big old gap right here, like I'm touching the motor. So, we're debating, like all this needs remade because it's just waterlogged and old. So my first reaction is to make it out of aluminum, make it light. Of course, light means fast. But I don't know. I don't know what to do here. What do you want to do?
I don't know. I mean, I like the aluminum idea, but then I think about welding it, all that stuff. It's so much time. You know, I mean, but it is forever.
And it will never rot.
But I'm not, then I go back and forth, what do we make it out of, 1/8 inch, 3/16, because it's gotta be sturdy, because people are gonna be walking on it.
3/16 with braces underneath.
Yeah, that's where I was thinking, like, it's gotta be sturdy, because
Yep.
you're gonna lay on it, people are gonna sit on it, you know,
Um,
step on it to get in and out of the boat.
Yeah. I mean, no different than this wood.
Yeah, but that's 3/4.
Yeah.
And the only reason I made it out of that, that's because that's what was there. When I took it apart to remake that.
It was probably 1/2 inch. It was just blowed up to 3/4.
No, it was legit 3/4. It was thick. Even
Well,
the braces they made out of 3/4.
Yeah.
And they were fine. Like I was gonna reuse them, but then I had some 2x6 laying there, and I'm like, oh, this would make a better brace than plywood.
I mean, it would not be hard at all to remake this out of wood if that's what you want to do, because all you have to do is extend this pipe.
Yeah, I mean, literally cut that apart, add 2 or 3 inches to it, and
Yeah, but remake it, not use this shit. Not use the wood that's here.
Oh yeah, no.
Okay. Because you would move this forward 3 inches and then make this longer, and you're done. And you could still have this notch, and then you don't have to piss with this. What do you think, Ben? Tell me.
I get nothing.
What's your thoughts
I mean,
on it, Ben?
everything moved forward about an inch, inch and a half. So I think everything needs to go an inch and a half further.
The Ben theory.
I mean, it makes
quick.
sense.
He's fucking quick.
Oh yeah.
He's a fucking thinker.
He retains information. You just said.
Listen, I think that's pretty good for a Monday.
He's like a sponge. Yeah.
Kind of like this wood.
That wood is definitely a sponge.
I mean, I don't have a problem remaking out of aluminum. It's just that's a lot of cutting.
It's a lot of welding. Probably the distributor.
No, there was some sugar there.
Just lay it down.
Yeah, it's actually pretty dry now.
Yeah.
Like I said, it's all Saturday morning this thing sat out in the sun. Oh.
All right. I say we start by,
We're gonna have to take some, I need a roller, that way I can figure the length and stuff out.
all right, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. You recording?
Yeah. Oh my god. Feels like it dried out pretty good.
Get something to start peeling the steak.
Both of y'all see Star 49 Day. Hey, can one of y'all hand me a pair of channel locks? Or like my little green pliers?
Your little green bag.
Just a green set of pliers. Like the regular ones.
What do you think?
Well, we knew exactly how much we moved that. I guess it doesn't matter. We can just lay this on and measure it.
So much further.
Top needs to be.
Let's see where you're at. I want to make sure.
Oh, we're gonna slide the seat forward.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So I was gonna make the top as long as the motor. We're at 28 and a half.
I'll be honest with you, Jeff. I think you start bending that at the filler neck for the thing. That'll give you a nice, and you don't have to move this very far. You know. Is that about 2 foot one?
26. It's gives you, so.
Yeah, you want 67 and 3/4 feet. What is this?
That's the back deck and then the anchor.
Good.
Oh, it's 16 and 3/4. Right, Dad, that was our new measurement, it was 16 and 3/4.
Yeah.
Put that on that line then.
Just got it flush on the brake pad.
Yeah.
Or is this the sign that was too short?
No, we're just using it for the corner.
Oh.
Wow, the corner's not touching. So it's angled.
And make it tight.
Okay. Well. Okay, but you like this corner in the boat. Why would we use a side that you didn't
No,
like?
it had nothing to do with the corners. It had to do with this, where it wouldn't last. Right. Corners were nice. I thought both corners were nice.
Okay.
So,
Let me get the ball on.
yeah, it's just-
Well.
No, it was good. It just went on. So, how wide was that piece? The other piece?
I don't remember what the measurement was.
Remember it? That's how far we sent.
Yeah. Now for the fun part.
Got it. Well, before we cut, so that these guys know, we're remaking the back sun deck of the boat to cover the motor.
Yes.
Obviously,
The original one was 20 inches. I don't know where the camera is.
it's right here.
So we moved it out to 26. So we added 6 inches to it just to be able to make it not as close to the motor. I don't want the pulleys hitting or anything super, super tight to the motor because then it's just going to get hot. Then we ended up having to space this down. So we're going to build like a mini frame underneath of it because my dad doesn't think this 3/16 is strong enough. But
I mean, it does take a lot of weight. You're always walking over the sun deck to get in and out. You're
Well,
always...
I wanted to do 2 braces in the center like normal, like triangulated deals.
Sure.
Then I was gonna do a little one around the edge, but he wants to like crisscross. Well, that's what he was telling me he did. What he says and what actually happens.
So he just ran out. He's actually running to Murraysville, which is about 45 minutes from here for us.
So we're
pick
gonna have
up,
this thing cut, done, bent
yeah.
on before he gets back.
He went down to pick up some. What did he pick up? Chimney flue.
Yes.
To play chimney flue for camp for his chimney, and which will be in a later video this week.
Yeah,
we were voluntold that we're going up to do some brickwork. So he left. We're gonna get this cut. We might get it bent. The two of us might get it bent. Who knows?
We can. I mean, I might just run the grinder down it real quick, or set this to a like 16th and just nip it. But I think we can bend it. 'Cause, I mean, I've bent some stuff that I shouldn't have on there. So we'll see.
I know it's going to go in the comments. I think I put it in. I think it was in the last video. But yes, it's a circular saw. Yes, it's a wood blade. It's way easier.
We're all about safety.
Well, it's way easier to cut aluminum with a wood blade than anything. Don't forget your safety squints.
No, I'm actually going to wear glasses this time. I've already been to the hospital once.
I'm ready.
Yeah. Oh, I'm going to make sure all of the shavings are going towards you. I have brand new glasses too. So our boys at Lincoln Electric always keep us stocked up on safety glasses.
I think I common law carries for that.
I'm sure you do. Common law law.
Sometimes tools, safety
You're like that
glasses.
kid that no one ever knew they had.
There's got to be a Zeus tool in every car I have.
Oh, yeah, there is. Like I just said, you're that kid that no one ever knew they had.
Right. Where do you want to go first? Do you want to slide everything this way and cut this line?
I want to cut this line first.
Okay. So, okay.
And I am not good with a circular saw by any means. I suck with a circular saw. I don't know why. I can cut a straighter line with a jigsaw and I can't circular saw.
It'll stay.
This one will?
That one will. I got this one.
Yeah, we can later. Figure let's just get it cut. Then we'll go through. I just want to take the edge. No, I want to take the edges off. 'Cause I don't feel like sitting there slicing my hands open. Or just a file.
What would you rather? You want a big pile out of your desk? All right, we're gonna take this outside, get it bent, and see how it fits. Got it? Yeah. Okay. So, come on.
Try and let yours down.
Get so close.
It's this edge.
Yep. Okay, got it. Oh. Yeah. Got it?
Yep.
Okay. So, hold on.
We're so let yours down.
We're so close.
What's that?
Cut it back 1.5 inches.
Yeah, I'll cut it back 1.5 inches, and then we'll try it again. Because we're not down all the way either.
Yep. Okay, got it.
More cutting.
Get everything.
Here,
Gotta get everything.
that lens works. All right, hang on to her. Hopefully this is one of the final cuts.
Yeah, buddy.
Like butter.
I like it. I like it.
Alright. Alright, well, now I can start building the frame. Yeehaw. Alright, let's pull it off.
Yep.
Got it?
Yep. Morning. Thought you had this done yesterday.
No, I gave up last night. I was tired. Getting old. You making fun of me?
No, I'm not making fun of you.
Yeah?
We're laughing with you, not at you.
Yeah. Yeah, I just got a little bit to do. Jeffrey wants to set it on. I haven't seen it on yet. I heard it looks amazing.
It looks pretty sweet.
Yeah. So, if you stop bothering me, I can finish welding it.
Oh my God.
Off you go.
See ya. So the gentleman that we bought the boat motor off of is also building us an outdrive. He's got half of it done. Should be ready later in the week. The motor already runs. Doesn't take long to put the outdrive on, so this, if the weather cooperates here in western Pennsylvania, maybe we can get this in the water this week and give it a shot. It's gonna be pretty cool. They're calling me from the shop. Apparently they're doing something. I'm working on a video. Let's go see.
You having your coffee, Ben?
Sure am.
Coffee.
Coffee.
You make it, or do you stop and get it?
I make it.
Of course you do.
Cheaper.
Yeah, cheap ass. 57 stuff.
Is it?
Yeah. I'm gonna let you two go get it.
Of course you are.
Or should I? I don't want to be pissed.
Do you need me to show you how to put this on?
Huh?
Do you need me to show you how this goes on?
Yeah, here. Let me.
Yeah. I can see you scratching the boat.
I'm gonna be the cameraman.
The camera. Whoa, whoa. How hot? How hot is this?
Probably 30 times yesterday.
Is he complaining? Oh, there's a clamp on it over there. Unclamp it, Ben. Look, it's right there.
Right here.
Right there, Ben.
Let me take this clamp off.
Yeah.
This thing's gonna be nice and heavy now.
No, it's gonna be super
Let's
light.
make it out of aluminum so it's light.
No. Hey, let's make it out of aluminum. Oh, there was one on it. Oh, you're gonna carry it over.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna follow you.
Okay.
Is it heavy? Is it warm?
Can I pick it up first? And then I'll tell you if it's heavy.
He's such a pussy. Is it heavy?
Sure.
Oh.
Ben,
Yeah.
if I ball tapped you with this right
I might drop this on you.
now. Okay, how bad are we gonna scratch it?
Haven't we? Shh.
Oh, he peeled all the tape off. No. Ooh, ooh. Ooh.
Get this once or twice.
Look at that.
What do you think?
Man.
It's coming towards you. Just hold it.
Wow.
Give me the camera.
No, I like it.
Your weight test don't count because you starve yourself. You're the lightest one here.
I'm 175 pounds.
You're the
boys.
lightest one here. We like food. Like it?
I think it looks amazing. See that? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
This thing better be recording or I will beat you with it.
Oh, it is. I'd make sure the light
You
is
see the little red light?
Redo. Take it off.
Okay, well,
We're
man.
really just waiting on the outdrive. That's it.
Yeah, he sent me a picture of it painted last night.
Okay.
He's just waiting on the impeller. They're real excited. So,
Well, I have gas struts at home for this because I want it to stay up on its own. Because
You know, not
this
smack
will
you in the throat with the
legit
head. You're
guillotine
working on
you.
it.
why'd you gotta go there? So, what are you gonna do? Drill and tap it?
Well, I was thinking I have them trailer screws just up in because that bar is thick.
Okay.
I don't know that the 1024s would, like, the threads would stay there very long.
I mean, if it's that thick, it would. It's up to you.
Well,
I mean, I know you like drilling and tapping. No, I'm good. I got
Everybody's going to be watching this video like this.
it. That's all right. Look, Ben. Oh, here.
There you go. See? He's like, so.
Well, I figured. Can't straighten that thing out.
now.
This looks.
Is it comfortable? Is that the right angle?
Yeah. I mean, it probably could have been more, but I don't know how it was. Probably about.
Yeah, I was gonna say, like,
they're not. I mean,
your old boat wasn't that angled back there.
That was nice, Jim.
I did have to cut this to bend it.
Yeah, I tried welding it, and you got stone stuff all through there, so.
It was raining.
Yeah, that's all good. No, you did a good job.
Yeah, we literally put this in there and went like and tried to slap it.
I really
It
like
was
the fit.
nice and tight.
I don't think I could have done that good of a job. That's a nice job.
Yes, I need to push back a little bit. I don't think this seat's still square, so I think it's holding it.
All right, well, I say we shift gears and go get the 57.
Well, let me grab the
Mount.
self-tappers. That way it's mounted.
Yeah, that's
because
true.
I wanna do the strut rods.
It's not wood.
So
Was
the
I
only
right
thing
or was I wrong
what?
to make it out of aluminum?
I mean, in both ways would have worked. It's just
I just like
tomato,
being right.
tomato.
I like being right. Oh, your mom's Cadillac's done too, so we gotta go get it.
Probably ought to go get that first so she has a car.
She has a car. Good idea. Yeah, let's go do that.
All right.
All right.